Hello, this is a Lenovo PC that has a kind of a screen problem. So I'm going to put this thing on and so that we'll see the kind of problem that it has, the kind of screen problem. So plug in, now it's on. We have to display. Okay, yeah, you look at the display here. It seems there's no hard drive inside. So I'm going to boot through something so that to be able to see clearly what how the screen is. Okay, looking at this screen, you see there's a dark spot, there's another dark spot here. So what could be the cause of this? Could it be that it's cable? I doubt if it's going to be the display cable. Could it be from the board? It might be. Or could it be the screen? So basically, there are three things, okay, that could be responsible. One of the three things could be responsible. Screen, perhaps cable, which I doubt it will be, but it's possible. And last, from the motherboard. So I'm going to start from the screen. So I'm going to troubleshoot it with another screen that is okay. So I know where the problem lies. Okay. So it's still coming up. I want it to boot finally to desktop. So yes, okay. Here is the mouse. So look, come there. All right. So it is hidden here. Okay. So this is blind spots. Another one is here. Okay. One, two. Hmm. So let's find out what is the cause. So I can shut down. Yeah. So I have to remove this. Good. So that is the first. So I'll remove the screen and check with another screen to know where the problem comes from. Why this PC is Lenovo? It's wow. This is not having screw. No screw. Or perhaps it has been checked before. Just two screws holding this screen instead of four. So why this PC is Lenovo? Same principle applies to all PC. Yeah, to all PC. So something about the screen is off. You just try to troubleshoot with another screen that is working. Yeah, so I've removed this. So this is 30 pin. This is 30 pin. So I have to look for 30 pin. So here's another screen, 30 pin, 50.6 issues. All right. You don't have a display. It seems, is it the same thing or is it different? Yeah, you see that there's difference. This one appear display were fine. The other screen, I can't see loading. Maybe just you can only see part of file. So loading, everything is off. So let's see. Now Lenovo appears where that one all I think is screen 8L. Yeah, 8L. So now the fault of this PC is what? This you can say clearly. It's the screen. So is this screen. This screen is bad. That is it. That is it. Yeah. So bad screen. See this all There's no blind spot. Everything is perfect. Yes, everything is perfect. So that is it. It is as simple as ABC. Yeah, like as I said earlier, what this PC is Lenovo, it does not matter if you can only do this on Lenovo. It is applicable to all PC. There are kind of faults that me looking at it that the problem is from the screen. That the problem is not from the board. Meanwhile, while other thing could also, cause the PC, other for cause the PC to be behaving that way. But it's good to start from the list. No, yeah, I just need to remove this front, bezel. Then remove the screen instead of losing the whole PC, removing the board. Yeah. So you start from a place that is the least, then troubleshoot with other parts. Okay. So with this, clearly the screen is at fault and the screen needs to be replaced. Simple as ABC. So problem solved.